Hey there, it's Dale Shin. Wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can get started on pathways. And what you have to do is go to our Toastmasters.org website, which is Toastmasters International. It's the main Toastmasters webpage. Go here and you'll see basic information about Toastmasters. You should scroll through and look at this. But to get right to the point, when you want to get into a path, click on Pathways. Go to Learn More, and this will kind of give you a general description of pathways and show you all the different paths that are available. You can click on each one to see the description about the path, and you'll see all these paths have 5 levels, and you'll see each level has a description of the projects. These are the different speech projects you'll have to do. And as you get to, starting on the 3rd level, you have elective projects that you can choose. So there'll be one required project in levels 3 and 4 and 2 and 5, and then each will have different number of electives that you have to do to complete the level. So that's kind of an overview of the pathways. To actually get started, well, actually you should look at all these too. This will take you back there. Watch and learn. There's some great videos you should see about the pathways. And the first project is always going to be the icebreaker, no matter which project you choose, no matter which path you choose, I should say. So let's say you want to get started. Click Begin Now. You'll have to log in. Of course, you have to register first if you haven't. And once you're logged in, this will change to Access Pathways. You can always go here and go to Choose a Path. But if you click on this, it'll take you to the same place, Choose a Path. So you have 3 options here. You want this first one, Choose a Path, Continue to Path Selection. And here, this is showing up because I already completed one path. And so if I want to do another one, I do have to pay an additional fee. So here you scroll down, take your assessment, click on that. Here you get to choose what language, then click Start. Then it'll ask you 3 topics you are interested in learning about, so you click 3 of them, just choosing these at random. And then it'll start asking you questions to kind of narrow down, of those 3 you picked, which order or what is the top. This AI, artificial intelligence thing, I think it is, it'll kind of lead you through as you answer these questions to determine which of the 3 projects, or maybe even outside of those 3, are most appropriate to how you answer it, which should be in line with what you want to achieve, what your goals and objectives might be. So it'll show you a status bar and how much you have left to do, how much you've completed. And at the end, it'll, as I mentioned, come up with your top 3 picks for what's best suited to how you answered all those questions. So once you pick that, a handy way to get to your path every time you log in, after you log in, just click on this part here where it says Welcome Dale. You'll have Welcome Your Name. And then you get to this dashboard where you can go to Basecamp. And Basecamp is where you go to access your path. And see, it'll take you to another kind of web page. You can disregard all this stuff. These are just quick shortcuts to look at these things. But once you get here and you'll see the path that you selected, you click Open Curriculum, and that'll get you to the actual start of the path. And here you can, if you click Launch, I already did this one. So it'll open up the project, and you'll see well, I already did this, so that's kind of pointless. Let me show you a different, okay, so this is the next project in level 1. If I launch it, it'll open up another window and actually lead me through the project. So introduction, tells you what this project is about, purpose. You can print out the resource, you could download it and print it out, and then you can continue on. So they always ask you to assess how you feel about these things. So 1 to 5, 5 being that you're very confident. and you just continue through. I'm not going to do this actually because I haven't started this yet. Anyways, to go back to the main Toastmasters website. I gotta keep clicking here. So here we are at the main kind of Basecamp page. We're back here to the dashboard. This has some handy information, some information about yourself, and you can click on these different things to see your status about different things. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or have any trouble getting into Pathways, don't hesitate to reach out to me or to any of the other officers.